So this is January 2019 and I bought the 8 months old watch in 2019. Even after launching the Apple Watch Series 4, I compared both both the options, and still I went with the Fitbit Versa. So why? the the main the main reason is the price. And here in India, it you can get Fitbit Versa. Uh, you can get three Fitbit Versas in the price of one Apple Watch Series 4. So I thought I better go with Fitbit Versa. So let's unbox and find out how Fitbit Versa looks. I don't even need a knife. So there is some pictures describing how it is going to look on your wrists, and there is a quick start guide as well. Let's keep it aside. Remove the watch. It's difficult to remove. Okay, so this is the watch. I'll keep this watch aside for a while and let's see what else there is in the box. So you get a proprietary charger with this. Okay, and you also get a strap. Okay, so there is the watch. Let's take a look. Okay, this is turned on already, or I turned it on, I don't know. Okay, it was already turned on. So this is the watch. It looks good even for my small wrist. Let me put it on. Okay, even for my small wrist it looks good. So I think it's made for small wrists only. Okay, it looks pretty good. Let me remove it and let's set it up. So I think it needs to be charged first. Charger is of good build quality. Let me put, so to keep it, to charge it you have to press this way, put the watch, and it starts charging. So this is nice, but the fact that it comes with a proprietary charger, I don't know, we have to carry it with us every time we go trekking or picnic. So let's connect. I'm using it over my iPhone. Find the Fitbit. There you go. Then okay, so let's add it. So there you go, it's on the top. Fitbit Versa setup. Okay, I agree, and set aside 30 minutes to complete the setup. Charge Versa to 50% and keep charging throughout the setup. Ensure access to enable reliable Wi-Fi that does not require browser authentication. So next, okay, I have put it on charge. Searching for Versa. Okay, it's searching. Okay, it found the Versa. Hmm. It's doing it thingy. Connected, pairing. It's taking long. Pair. So it wants to set up the Wi-Fi on Versa. Okay. And it's asking my password. Okay, it has connected to the Wi-Fi. Next. Okay, it's updating. Start update. Showing me some information over there. Oh, it says downloading 5%. I think it's gonna take 30 minutes like it said. As you can see, even after 30 minutes it's still installing. I mean, it took 30 minutes as it promised. So I'm still waiting for that to start up. Okay, something is happening. It turned green. Oh, and it starts. Okay, it has started with quick tips. Follow these tips. Okay, start. I hope you are able to see it. Hold the left Hold the left button from any screen for Fitbit play music controls. Payments. Got it. Hide. Got it. Screen wake auto controls. Start playing music on your phone. Okay. Okay, it says Versa is ready here. Okay, I can only do one thing at a time. So notifications on, screen wake auto, and I think I have to play the music. Okay, done that. Not even try holding the top button, see your mobile notification. So this one is for notification. Nothing now here, you are caught up. Okay, great. Next. It's nice. It's really nice. Okay. Okay, this looks good, but I think there is a bit of lag. I am noticing it's not as smooth as it should be. This is the menu, so focus. There is this exercise, music, alarms, coach. Alarms. Okay, you can set new alarms and all. Bit coach, relax. Relax is like you have to take deep breathe in and breathe out. So breathing session. It's basically then timer and weather, wallet, Strava, settings and tips. So how do I change the okay from the app? I think let's take a look on the app then. Okay, try it on at the moment. Release has been waiting. Okay, let me put it on. Let's follow this process. band too small. Okay, again same tips. Okay, done, all set. I've added Versa and it's syncing. Okay, so I can do change clock faces from the app itself, like so I don't have the option or what? There you go, there is the full market for all the clock faces, and there are plenty of them. So I think we are all set for that. There are apps. Let's go to all apps. Okay, there are plenty of apps available. Now that it's been more than 9 months since it launched, there are plenty apps available. Then there is media, how to's and accessories. Okay, so this is it. This is it, guys. So this is the Versa and this is the Fitbit application, which is a really good application. I had been using it with my charge too, so it gives proper all the data at one place properly. Activity, your activity, how it has been performed and all, and your heart rate 24/7, where you score, what your heart score, where you rank, and yeah, you can add water and food. It can also sync water and food from Map My Fitness app. Yep. From this My Fitness Pal app. So there you go. So this is Fitbit Versa. This is Fitbit Versa and it looks good. I'll use it for a while and I'll come up with a review, and whether you can go with it over Apple Watch Series 4 or you can go with Apple Watch instead, I'll let you know. So if you have liked this video, please do subscribe to the channel and hit thumbs up button. If you have any questions or doubts regarding the watch, please write me down in the comment section. Also let me and my viewers know if you would want to buy a watch, whether you go for Fitbit Versa or whether you'll go with Apple Watch, and why. So thank you, have a great life, peace, see you in the next one.